She is not here. I heard her screaming from far away. Oh, let me do it again. She is not here! I heard
Oh shit! Are you okay?
Oh, sweet!
Oh shit! Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh damn! Oh. Not no more.
Yeah, you didn't see it.
You guys okay?
Give from my heart. You didn't see it.
Daddy, I need to be held. I think I just shit myself.
What'd you ask him?
My butt
White
cheek.
power.
Dude, alright, get out there, dude. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh crap, you fell.
Sean, you hurt me.
I wasn't even watching my heart beating.
What was that?
It popped
I
up.
ran into the door. I was trying to run.
Why are you hiding? Hold up. I think you can keep reading, can you?
No. Whew. Let's see. She scared the crap out of me.